The 12-volt RV water pump kit features a robust copper motor, ensuring a strong water flow of 4 gallons per minute and a quieter operation compared to traditional impeller pumps. Its built-in pressure switch automatically starts or stops the pump at 45 pounds per square inch, making water management hassle-free for users. Designed to run dry without damage, the pump is equipped with alligator clips and various adapters, allowing for a straightforward installation process. This versatile pump is suitable for a wide range of applications, including agricultural, industrial, and home uses, as well as in gardens and various indoor or outdoor settings. The comprehensive 20-piece diaphragm pump kit includes essential components such as a water strainer, multiple hose fittings, and stainless steel hose clamps, providing everything needed for setup. The pump is compatible with both salt and fresh water, as well as non-flammable liquids, making it adaptable for various fluid transfer needs.